Well, hello, hello, hello. Thank you for joining me today. I hope everyone is having a great day. Some of you may know me and some don't, so I'll introduce myself to you. My name is Margaret A. Golden Ching. I'm a Christian. I've been saved since 1972. I'm a wife, mother of three, grandmother of six, great grandmother of eight. I've been a California licensed real estate broker since 1989 and a life insurance agent since 2021. I'm currently licensed in the states of California, Missouri, and Texas. Our company, our financial services and life insurance company, serves all of the United States, Canada, and Puerto Rico. I love helping people obtain their goals in real estate and insurance. And today I'm going to talk with you about the financial services company that I work with. I'm an independent contractor in the financial services and insurance industry. We educate and help families grow their finances, protect their finances, and leave generational wealth for their children. I'm so excited to share with you today and will gladly make an appointment with you to discuss your personal needs. If you want to make an appointment, you can call me at area code 209 880 9711, and I'll repeat that number later on. I'm an independent contractor who talks with you, help you develop a plan that you're satisfied with, and find the best companies suitable for you to help you with your financial growth. We only work with A plus companies who have been established for many years. Our company's goal is to be the platform of choice for the independent business owner, enabling them to build a business with a focus on family protection, asset accumulation, and wealth preservation. We have been in business nearly 20 years. We offer a platform for entrepreneurs to build a financial services business as a life insurance agent services or as a securities registered representative. Additionally, we now have a platform for non licensed individuals to build a direct sales business to help people feel secure and confident in their future. But that portion is only for the state of California. There are three business opportunities available on our platform. One, build a business selling a variety of products and services that can help protect individuals and families. Two, build a financial services business as a life insurance agent. Three, build a securities business as a registered representative, and if you so choose, become an investment advisor representative. So there are many opportunities with our company if you love helping people. And here are some reasons that you might think of to join our company as a life insurance agent. You can build a business while helping others better their lives and their own futures. You're your own boss. You're in charge of your future, both professionally and financially. You're able to set your own schedule. You determine the hours you work and the time you spend with your family and friends. You're free to expand your business through the other opportunities available through the business platform. The best way to predict your future is to create it. And that's by Abraham Lincoln. Do you know someone who needs to hear this message? Give them a call or text them and direct them to me, refer them to me, and I can get them started. Can this information help you, your family, your friends? Are you interested in building a financial services business? Those people that we're looking for, and I'm part of the expansion department of our company. And right now, we are expanding all throughout the United States, Canada, and Puerto Rico. Some of the traits that we're looking for are people that are coachable, have good people skills, have a desire to learn, a willingness to follow a proven business system, an entrepreneur mindset. Do you know anyone that has these traits? If so, have them give me a call, 209-880-9711. There's a dramatic need for our services today. Did you know that 59% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? 44% carry a credit card balance, and just 38% have an established emergency fund. And these are things that we help people do with our financial services. We help them to manage their money, grow their money, and leave a legacy to their descendants. Where most people live today, or what most people are involved with today. Most people live with insufficient protection and too much debt. A lot of people have no savings or do not know why or how much money they should save to reach their goals. A lot of people don't have a strategy for their future. They don't make enough money and are not sure what to do about it either. And without this financial security, there can be anxiety, lack of confidence, lack of hope, a negative impact on the family, lowered expectations, limited opportunity, and no plan for the future. There is definitely a need for you to join our company and to help families so that they can learn how to do these things. Our agents reach out to middle income individuals and families instead of just those who are wealthy. We help clients to understand fundamental financial concepts, establish goals, and create a clear strategy to reach them. We help people build a stronger, more sound financial foundation. I know that when I was a child and I grew up in St. Louis, Missouri years ago, we weren't taught all of these things growing up. The wealthy people knew about this, they had knowledge of this for many, many years, but a lot of us didn't have this knowledge and we weren't taught these things. So we kind of started out behind, everybody else. What is wealth, you might ask? Some people believe wealth is having an extravagant lifestyle like celebrities or high salary sports stars. They believe owning exotic sports cars, expensive homes, designer brand name clothes. But most people who try to live a wealthy lifestyle spend the money they earn or more, trying to keep up with the Jones. Don't keep up with the Jones. Don't attain wealth, but instead accumulate large amounts of debt. I'm sorry. So instead of attaining wealth, they're actually accumulating more debt, trying to live a lifestyle that they can't afford to live. Financial security requires discipline and the ability to determine needs versus wants. What is financial independence, you ask? True financial independence is saving more and spending less, living within one's means, protecting loved ones should the worst case scenario occur, reducing and eliminating debt, saving sufficient funds to cover expenses for at least 6 months to a year, building a long term savings that protects you and your family for life, This is what we do with our financial services and insurance. This is what we help families do. We help families build more strong and sound financial futures. Do you think this is something that you would like to do to help families? Have you ever heard of the Rule of 72? This rule estimates the amount of time it would take for your money to double. Okay, if you divide 72 by an interest rate, you would calculate approximately how many years it takes for that money to double if the interest rate is compounded annually. Keep in mind that this is just a mathematical concept. Interest rates fluctuate over time, so the period in which the money will double can't be determined with certainty. But here's an example. Listen to this. Say, for instance, I invest $10,000 today and I'm earning a 2% interest, which right now banks are not even paying 2%. Some of them might be paying a half a percent, but they're definitely not paying 2%. So putting your money in a bank, you're not going to get wealthy like that. It would take 36 years for that $10,000 to double to $20,000. So are you willing to wait 36 years for your money to double like that? Okay, now say for instance that same $10,000 you invest in a product that we can help you invest in, and remember these are A-plus companies that we work with. And say it's earning 4%, which most of them earn way more than 4%, but we're just using 4% right there. Then it would take 18 years for that $10,000 to double to $20,000. Now take that same $10,000 and you earn 6% interest, then it would only take 12 years for that $10,000 to double to $20,000. So you see that you can start off with the same amount of money as person B, but wherever you invest your money, you might put your money in a product that is paying 10, 13, 15%, and somebody else might put their money in a product that's earning 2%. You can see that your money would double a lot quicker than the person that's earning 2%. So me personally, I'd rather earn the highest interest possible. And this is what we do. We help families, we help people so that they can learn how to invest their money wisely so that it can grow quicker for them. Time can be an asset or an enemy. For example, say you're saving $2,500 per year for 25 years in a product earning 5% interest per year. Okay, person A started investing when she was 30 years old. Person B started investing when she was 40 years old. There's a 10-year age difference in their age when they started investing. So person A is going to invest $62,500 for 25 years and stop investing at the age of 55. They will have accumulated $204,074 in that 25-year period. Person B invests the same amount, $62,500 for 25 years. They stop investing when they're 65, and they have only accumulated $125,284. That's a whopping $78,790 difference. So you see that the earlier you begin investing, the more money you will have at a certain age. Your products, when saving, be sure to consider the effect that taxes can have on your income. Okay, so you can save in taxable things like a savings account at a bank or a certificate of a deposit. That's taxable. You're going to pay tax on that money that you earn. Then there's tax deferred savings, things like a fixed annuity and savings bonds. It's still taxed, but it's taxed at a later date when you're older. And then there's tax advantage things like cash accumulation life insurance policies. And this is one of the things that we have, one of the products we have. We can help you invest your money in a life insurance policy that will accumulate interest and the money will grow for you. Before I came to this company, I knew that it was important to have life insurance, but I only thought of life insurance as being protection for if I would die, or if my husband would die, or if another family member would die, then we would have that money to be able to have a funeral, a nice funeral. But I have learned so much being with this company that it's helped me and my family so much already. I've learned that just like with the 401k plan, and I was a very, very strong believer in the 401k plan. But I found out that, I mean, you can lose your money with the 401k plan. And that's what a lot of people is happening to a lot of people right now. They're losing money with the condition of the government and the stocks, things like that. People are losing their money in their 401k plans, where we have something that we can put your money in with a plus company that you won't lose your money. You would never lose your money, okay? And the way it works is that you can put your money in this plan and you're earning a certain amount of interest. And if this plan is mirroring the stock market, then as the market goes up, then your money grows. You earn interest. If the market goes down, you don't lose any money. It's going to stay level. It's like going up stairs, okay? As the market goes up, you start earning more interest again. If the market goes down, you don't lose. You stay on that step. You don't go downstairs. You're only going upstairs, or you're staying on that same step. And if you have questions about that, just give me a call and we can set up an appointment to go over this with you. So these are things that we do. We help people so that they can they invest their money in products where their money is protected, is safe, and your money grows, and you can leave a legacy, generational wealth to your children, grandchildren, your descendants. And this is what the wealthy people, the Rockefellers, the people like that, they have done this for many, many years because they knew of these concepts where a lot of us, we didn't know of these concepts. And they built wealth this way and left wealth to their children. And this is one thing that I want to make sure that my husband and I do. That if we were to pass today or tomorrow, that our children, would be taken care of. We give a financial analysis, okay? How do I create a workable savings plan that I can stick to? This is part of the financial analysis that we help you with. What goals should I set? Some people don't know how to set goals. They don't even know what goals they're reaching for. They're just living paycheck to paycheck, day to day, working, paying the bills, buying the groceries, paying the rent, without any real goals, without any real financial goals. So we help people. How much do I need to save to reach these goals? Are there products available that can provide guarantees against loss? What products can allow my money to grow but still enable me to have access to it without a penalty or being taxed? And of course, you know that with your 401k plan, if you take your money out before you're age 59 and a half, then you're going to pay state tax, federal tax, and penalties. And then, and when you reach age 70, then you have to take out, so much. But with the things that we have, you can put your money in there and it can grow, and you can take money out for any purpose, any of your needs. I mean, you can take money out for your kids' college education, to give them money to put down on a home when they graduate college. You can have money available for, say, you get injured on your job. You have money there to help take care of you and your family and all of your expenses. You can have money available for your business expenses if you get injured, and you want your business to continue growing and operating. You can get money for that. You can get money to pay medical bills, surgeries, dental needs, go on a vacation. You can take your money out for any reason whatsoever. It's your money, and you know that commercial, and I won't say the name of the company, but it says, "It's my money and I want it now." Okay, well, it's your money and you can have it now. The thing is that you won't pay any taxes on the money when you take it out. You won't pay any penalties on the money when you take it out. You can take that money out for any purpose, okay, without taxes and without penalties, simply because it is an the IRS code that goes with it, that is regulated by, is life insurance, okay? Again, if you have questions, give me a call, 209-880-9711, and we'll schedule an appointment. You can take your money out for some things like cash flow if you need additional income to manage expenses, to consolidate debt instead of taking out a home equity loan or a credit card. You can borrow from yourself. That's basically what you're doing. Okay, you can have your money for an emergency fund. We help families learn to build their wealth, preserve their wealth, and leave a legacy, generational wealth. I'm quite sure that a lot of you have heard about generational curses. Well, let's do away with that generational curse. Let's get that generational wealth going. Okay? This is just a few of the things that we offer, just a few. We have term life insurance, universal life insurance, whole life insurance, final expense insurance, annuities. We have insurance that can pay for your child's education, insurance that will protect your income in case of an emergency, insurance where you can have funds available for a large purchase, home repairs, vacation, a new car, or whatever. Okay, I really, really do like being a part of this company. And again, I'm part of the expansion department, and I'm looking for good people who are coachable and want to help people. So give me a call, 209-880-9711. Or if you know someone that can either, that might be interested in being in the financial services business, they might need an extra income, maybe 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. or more, money, income per month. It can be somebody that wants to make more money, you know, have them contact me. If you know someone that can use our services, have them contact me. Okay? Again, my name is Margaret Ann Golden Jean, and I'm here to help families and people to protect their wealth, to grow their wealth, and to leave generational wealth to their children. Thank you so much for watching my video. Be sure and subscribe so that you can see more information as it comes in. Click that subscribe button, click the like button, save the video so you can watch it over again, share it with your family, your friends, and God bless.